Exploring Nature's Secrets, a journey into language and meaning. Hello everyone, today, we're going to dive into the fascinating phrase, nature's secret. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a gateway to understanding deep meanings and cultural expressions in the English language. So, let's unravel the secrets together. Nature's secret is a phrase that speaks volumes about the mysteries and wonders of the natural world. It implies that nature holds secrets, or hidden truths, that are waiting to be discovered. This phrase often evokes a sense of curiosity and wonder, urging us to explore and understand the world around us. In literature and culture, nature's secret is used to depict the mysterious and often unexplainable aspects of the natural world. It's a theme in poetry, storytelling, and even in everyday conversations to express the awe-inspiring and sometimes mystical elements of nature. You might hear nature's secret in various contexts. In conversations about the environment or wildlife. In marketing, to describe natural products or eco-friendly initiatives. In educational contexts, when discussing biology, ecology, or environmental science. Nature's secret is a metaphor. Metaphors are powerful tools in English that convey complex ideas through simple comparisons. They enrich language, making it more vivid and expressive. I hope this exploration of nature's secret has opened your eyes to the beauty and depth of English expressions. Remember, every phrase has a story, and understanding these stories enhances our language skills. Keep exploring and uncovering the secrets of language. Until next time, happy learning!